We've been seeing that it's easy to do manual discounts in the POS. That is, when you sell an item to manually for the line to do a discount, or when you press total to do the total discount in percentage, and it's also possible to do it in amounts. But is that what retailers want, to do manual discounts? I don't think so. If I was a retailer, I would like all the discounts to be done automatically and only to use manual discounts when there is something exceptional. Like we talked about when we see that the item we are selling is maybe with a dirt on it, on a crack, or something like that. So, next topic we are going to talk about are the automatic discounts, or the offers as we call them in the POS. And LS Central is very rich in functionality when it comes to offers. We have different types of offers for the POS. And let's start to look at them. So here in the POS, we are going to sell the laptop. One of these laptops from the brand NAE. What happens? We get a pop-up window. This pop-up window has nothing to do with discount. It's just telling us that since we are selling a laptop, we might be wanting to sell a display or a mouse or even a printer. But let's ignore that and just press OK. And what happened? This item got 5% discount. Let's do it again. And let's sell another laptop. Maybe this one here. And yes, we get this again and we press OK and OK. And we get 5% discount as well. But if we sell this Pavilion laptop, we do not get any discount. So what is behind this? There's a discount offer only for certain types of items that are from this brand NAE, but not for the Pavilion laptop that provide us a 5% discount. Let's finish the sale. Another example of a discount offer is if you sell this blouse, Linda Professional Wear. Let's take it yellow 42 and OK. And now we get a pop-up window again, but this pop-up is different because this blouse is on mix and match offer. So if you would buy one of these items, you would get a mix and match offer. But we will skip that now and press OK. And you see it got 15% discount. So that's another example of a discount offer. Let's look at the third type. If you sell these jeans, they are as well on a mix and match offer, but you're going to skip it. And you see there's no discount. But lots of retailers, they have their own loyalty club. So now we have a customer in our store that is part of the loyalty club, or member club, as we call it in LS Central. So he's a member within our retailer. So he provides us his member card and we scan it in. Now I'm just going to put it in manually. So I'm going to put in his card number 10001 and press OK. So now you see Stefan Thompson is part of the sale and he is in our club Kronus and scheme Bronze. And what did happen? He got 15% discount. But it happens that the demo data company has more clubs. So we also have a club for the staff. So now I'm going to change the member and to put in some stuff into the sale. This number here, 20001, we do it the same way. So this is Paul Miller in our staff club. And he does not get any discount. So let's put Stefan in again. And we got the discount and we finalize the sale. These were examples about how the discount offers work in the LS Central POS.